In 2007, I was working on my master's thesis. Already I had been using SAS for a while. I decided to migrate to R. I downloaded the package file, installed R, and ran the program. And surprise, similar to the SAS, there was a white command line, and I didn't know the R commands. I wanted to import a data file into the R to do regression analysis. At that time, there were not too many tutorials. I had some manuals downloaded from the R website. Eventually, I learned how to define variables and do some stuff, but I had a problem with getting files into the R. Finally, I posted my question in the R Help Center. I am Dr. Mohammad Sahebhonar, and from then on, I have been using and teaching R. R is such a powerful mathematical and statistical language to be working with. However, if you want to use R, you need to know the R commands ahead of time. So I am going to streamline the learning process of R by designing an interactive web application. In this video, I want to explain the requirements you need to do to prepare the application environment. And first things first, you need R on your machine, and if you do not have R, you can download it at r-project.org. Download section, Comprehensive R Archive Network, and click on Download page based on your operating system. By the way, you can go to my website, sahebhonar.com, Learning R section, and here there is a direct link to this page. If you want to run R on Mac OS, as an example, you will find related files on this page. I provided guidelines on how to install R on different operating systems on my website. If you have any problems during installation, you can review them. Next, you need to install RStudio. In the download section, you need to download the installer based on your OS type. After you install RStudio, you need to install the Shiny package. In RStudio, select Packages tab, click Install, enter the package name and install the package. It takes a few minutes to install Shiny and dependent packages. By the way, if you have RStudio and Shiny installed on your system, you may need to upgrade the Shiny package because the application needs Shiny 1.5.0 or greater. Finally, you need to download the application from my website. And now you can run the app.r file. As you open the app.r file in the newer versions, the RStudio may show a warning that you need to install several packages. You can hit the install or you can just run the app. The required packages will be installed automatically. In the next video, I will explain how to import data into the R from various resources.